A gift card is a special type of product. Its value can be used as a payment towards future orders from your online store. Gift card feature is available on the Shopify plan and above. In basic Shopify plan, it is not available. You can sell a gift card like a product. You can also issue a gift card to a customer for free as a reward or incentive. A gift card code can be used at checkout to redeem its value. Go to gift card under the products menu. To add a gift card, click Manage Gift Card Products, Add Gift Card. Add title, description, and availability. These options are same as other product addition option. Only difference is denominations, the face value of this card. You can edit or delete a denominations. You can add denomination, add a value for 100 or as you prefer. Then add an image if you want. You can add the other values like collections. You can add for the vendor. If you don't need to add that, ignore these options, and after adding these, press save. You have the option to duplicate the card if you want to add more by duplicating. Also, you can view this card. Click view. You can see this is same as other product. If any of your customer want to purchase this, they need to select the amount and they can click add to cart or buy it. After purchasing this gift card, they can use it to purchase another product, or they can gift this card to their friends. When a person have this gift card, he can use that card to purchase another product as a discount code. Suppose your customer wants to buy black dress shirt and he has a discount code or gift card. He wants to purchase your black dress shirt. Now he select the size and buy it now. Then he will get this option to put his gift code here so that he will get the discount based on the value of your gift card. Then go to your online store backend again, then gift card. Here you can see that all of your gift card here that you have created here. So if you want to issue a gift card, then click issue gift card. You can select the value that you prefer. You can, if you want to assign this code to a customer, then you can select the customer from here by searching his name. You can set a date of expiration. If you don't want to set any expire date, then never expire. Also, you can edit the code. You can edit the code from here. You can modify the code, and after doing this, press issue gift card. Done. If you want to remove or disable any gift card, then select that, and from the action button you can disable the selected gift card. By this way you can manage your gift card products. Thank you.